cut the camera. I'm about to finish this. This is so good. Oh, it's hot outside. I wanted to create a peach coconut, I guess you would call it a daiquiri-ish? Sangria-ish? I don't know. We'll figure it out, but y'all stay tuned. Yeah, so my handle and name is Toast for the Host, but for so long I was afraid of opening champagne, but I learned a trick. You turn the bottle. This is still gonna make me jump, I'm sure. That wasn't that bad. I'm using Le Grand Courtage, their champagne, delicious. But we're gonna do a peach, coconut, raspberry, daiquiri. It's just gonna be good, and it's hot, and it's gonna be a little bit frozen. I used frozen fruit just because it's easier and it makes more of a slush. So let's get started. So first we're gonna mix our peaches and our white wine. So I'm gonna put some peaches in here. Don't mind me, my hands are clean, I promise. So put the peaches in, and then we're gonna pour some champagne. And then for a little extra peach flavor, because sometimes if peaches aren't in season, I will use a concentrate. And so I got this peach nectar concentrate, and hopefully, I'm saying hopefully like I haven't done it before, but it's gonna taste extra peachy. I'm gonna pour a little in here. Not too much. I'm probably gonna add the rest of these peaches. And if it's not sweet enough, you can always add some sugar after the fact, but we're gonna blend this. So, put it on. Right, ready? It's on pretty good. Ready? Oh. Very easy. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna taste it, make sure that it's... I'm going to put this off to the side. Just for measurement purposes, I'm gonna put it in my little Pyrex. That was actual peach chunks, which is really nice. And if you wanted it sweeter, like I said, you could put the sugar in there. So we're gonna move this off to the side. I'm gonna rinse this off, and then we'll do the next round. Okay, so I rinsed it out. We're gonna reuse it, and then we're gonna move on to the raspberry coconut. And to really take it up a notch, you wanna add some white rum. Don't have any, but it's gonna taste just as good. So that's a little tidbit suggestion if you wanna do that. So pour some raspberries in. They started to thaw out a little bit, but that's okay. We can always put it in the freezer to harden it up, which is what I did for the peaches. So we have that in there. We're gonna clean up a little bit. Cream of coconut. I normally was never a coconut fan. Made a little mess there. I'm gonna pour that in. And then this is also when you would add the rum to this. And if it was frozen, I'm saying a lot, my bad y'all. If it was frozen, then it would be a lot more slushy, but this is gonna be a little bit. So it's a little too liquid for me. We're gonna add some more frozen raspberry. Have it here. Oh, and it's frozen. I ran it on the counter like that, okay. So, now, one of my favorite parts. That was so aggressive. To decide, do we want it in a white sangria glass or a stemless wine glass? I don't know, we're gonna do both, but we gotta make it cute. So, I'm using the terrible, and I put this in quotes, corn syrup, just because it makes things stick easier. So I'll put that in, turn it a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 different glasses just so we can see what it looks like visually for both of those. Well, actually, I'm gonna leave this here. I'm gonna take this one, dip it. That's cute, right? Super cute. Now, we want a layer. So let me grab the peach. And actually, it's a really good thing I put it in the Pyrex so it's easier to pour. So we'll start off with the first layer of the peach. We'll do it for this one also. And you will have some chunks, which is not bad. It's a good thing. Then you want to take your raspberry and rum mixture. It's gonna look really pretty, y'all. I think, I hope so. Let me use glass. And as a garnish, if you have fresh peaches, you can always cut it and put it on the side. I don't, I have the frozen ones. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that there. Another fun thing, I like to top everything with cotton candy. That's fun. So we're gonna do some cotton candy. Ready? And then you can top. And they have peach sangria cotton candy that would be perfect. Oh, I love how that swirled a little bit. Finish it off. One of my favorites. I'm addicted to glass straws. Like, everything tastes better through a glass straw. So I'll put that in. Do you want one? Here you go.
Thanks.
Cheers! That is so good. It's got coconut in it. It's so good.
Holy crap.
Oh, wow. Sometimes I surprise myself. But that was a... Cut the camera. I'm about to finish this. This is so good.